Hello, I hope anyone who finds this video is safe and doing well. In today's video, we're going to explain a grammar lesson which is adjectives. We're going to talk in this video about adjectives, what are adjectives, why do we use adjectives, and how to find adjectives in sentences. So we will start with the first thing. What are adjectives? Adjectives are words used to describe the noun or pronoun in a sentence. In other words, adjectives are words that give details about the noun or the pronoun. And in order to understand it more, we will start with our first example. Example number one. We have the following sentence. Did you buy blue pants? The first thing I need to do is search for the noun or the pronoun in the sentence. So here in this sentence, I have the pronoun you and I have the noun pants. So I need to find a word giving detail about pants or about you. Did you buy blue pants? Is there any word describing you? No, I don't have. Is there any word describing pants? Yes, I have. So I ask myself, what kind of pants I'm talking about? So I will find the answer, which is blue pants. So here in this sentence, I have the adjective blue describing the noun pants. So the first question that an adjective answers is the question, what kind? So we need to know that the first question answered by an adjective is what kind. So adjectives answer the question, what kind. Let's move to example number 2. In example number 1, we answered the question, what kind. Now we will have another sentence answering another question. I bought 3 pants yesterday. So I'm going to do the same thing I did in the first example. So I have to look for the noun or the pronoun in the sentence. I bought 3 pants yesterday. I have the pronoun I and I have the noun pants. So I have to find if there's any word describing one of these. So I bought 3 pants yesterday. Is there any word describing the pronoun I? No, I don't have. So we will move to the second word, which is pants. I bought 3 pants yesterday. So I will ask myself, how many pants did I buy? So I will find a word answering my question, which is 3. So 3 is answering how many pants did I buy. So 3 here is an adjective describing how many pants did I buy. So the second thing we need to know is that an adjective answers the question how many. And in the following example, the adjective 3 is answering the question how many and it is describing pants. So till now, I have 2 things about adjectives. The first thing I know about adjectives is that adjectives are words used to describe the noun or pronoun in a sentence. They give me details about these nouns or pronouns. The first question we talked about is that an adjective answers the question what kind, and the second question it answers is how many. Now we will move forward to the third example. In the third example, we will tell what is the question, the third question answered by an adjective. Let's say I have the following sentence. He wants to wear this pants. As I did before, I do the same thing here. I have to underline the nouns and the pronouns I have in the sentence. So the pronoun I have here is he, and the noun I'm talking about is pants. And I have to see if I have any word describing any of the underlined words. So I look at the word pants and I ask myself, what kind of pants? Do I have an answer? No. How many pants? Do I have an answer? Also, no. So I have to look for the third question, which is which one? So the third question answered by an adjective is which one? So I looked at the sentence, I see that they are saying he wants to wear this pants. So which one, which pants? I will find that the word this is defining or describing which pants he wants to wear. So the third question answered by an adjective is which one. So which one? The answer is this one. So an adjective answers the question which one in this example. So let's review them again. What is an adjective? An adjective is a word used to describe the noun or pronoun in a sentence. In other words, it gives details about the noun or the pronoun I'm talking about. The second thing we have to do is to underline the noun or the pronoun in the sentence and check if there's any word describing them. An adjective will give you the answer of these questions: what kind, how many, and which one. So if you have a word answering one of these questions, it means that this is an adjective. This is everything about today's lesson. I hope all of you can get a clear idea about it, and I hope that you stay safe. Thanks very much. See you again.